Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Pillow, a Python library used for image processing. Pillow is an updated version of an older library called PIL and it works with Python 3. It helps us work with images in a very simple way. Working with images can be sometimes tricky. Tasks like resizing, cropping or adding effects can take a lot of time if done manually. Pillow makes these tasks easy by providing tools to handle images in formats like a JPEG, PNG, GIF and many more. In this presentation, we will talk about Pillow's main features, show you some examples of how it works and discuss where you can use it.
Let's move on to the key features of Pillow. Firstly, it allows you to open and save images in many formats. You can also edit images by resizing them, cropping them, rotating them, etc. You can draw shapes or add text to images using the image draw module. That module is really useful for adding watermarks and labels. Pillow also has filters that lets you blur images or make them sharper. Overall, Pillow is really useful for in areas like creating thumbnails for websites, preparing images for machine learning projects, or even designing graphics.
Now let's see how Pillow works with some examples. First, make sure you have installed Pillow by running pip install Pillow in your terminal. Now, let's load an image and display it using a Pillow. This will display the image. If you're using Collab, like we are, you might need to upload an image to Collab first. Then, now let's resize the image that we have got. So to resize the image, first we need to write this. Resized image is equal to image.resize 200 into 200. It's basically the pixels. Yeah, we need to then display the resized image. For adding a text to an image, we can use the image draw module in Pillow to draw shapes or to add text to images. So first we have to import image draw the image. We need to customize the position, text and color. Here we wrote team J073, then later we displayed the image.
Next up, we can also apply filters using Pillow, as Pillow provides several built-in filters like blur, sharpen and edge enhance. So in this example, we have blurred the image using the image_filter.blur function, and we can also convert an image to grayscale. We just need to use image.convert and then using the L, which converts it to grayscale. Next up, we can also rotate an image by any angle that we want. We can also crop an image by the amount of pixels that we want to. Then moving on, we can also flip the images, and for that we can either use left right flip option or we can use image flip top bottom. We can also create thumbnails, and for that we just have to use this image.thumbnail and then size option. Size has to be defined first and then we can use the sizes variable. Pillow also has advanced drawing capabilities in which we can create a new image using image.new, and in RBG we can write the pixel size of the length and the breadth, and then we can write color. So for example, here we have clicked the color red. So since we have picked the red, the main background here is red itself. Here we have defined D as an object for drawing, and we are using D.rectangle for drawing a rectangle, and here we are using the pixels from where to where we want the rectangle to be filled. We can also add color to it. Then here we are creating a ellipse, and then below that we are creating a polygon.
To sum up, Pillow is a simple yet powerful library for working with images. It can help you with multiple tasks like resizing images, adding shapes or text, also applying filters to images. It is easy to use for beginners as well as advanced users.
Pillow is useful in many fields, whether you're creating content for websites or preparing data for machine learning models. Thank you for listening. We hope this presentation helps you understand how Pillow works and inspires you to try it out.